What a day. Came home, found out that the basement flooded. The water meter rusted off or broke, or I have no idea. It, under its own weight, cracked off. And so half the basement was flooded. And other than that, the floor is coming along. As you can see, it's just a pile of rubble. Oh, there it is. There's the lovely floor. So, this is the most back-breaking tile removal ever. So, I have been beating on this for hours. I was working on this yesterday for hours and the day before for hours. So, when they say tiles come up easy, sometimes that's true, sometimes it's not. Well, today it wasn't. Another fun night. No water. They were unable to fix it, unfortunately. So the dumpster fire of a house that I bought decided to put itself out. So let me just switch this and you'll see what I'm talking about.